Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials.
Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a couple tips and tricks for making a shirt with the Easy Press 2. When I'm weeding a design with iron-on, a little trick I like to use is a tape ring. Just loop it around your finger with the sticky side out, and it makes weeding little pieces nice and easy. When I'm putting a decal onto a shirt, I find it helpful to use one of these t-shirt rulers. I find this a helpful little tool because you just line up the middle of your shirt to the center of the guide and make sure your spacing on the top is the same on either side. Once it's lined up, you have a perfect guide to use to keep your decal straight and centered. Today I'm going to be using the Easy Press 2. What I like about the Easy Press is that you can set your temperature and your time to match your materials. There is a heat guide on the Cricut website, which I really like to use. All you do is go in and choose your material. So mine is a cotton poly blend for this shirt and the tool you'll be using. Once you input this information, it's going to tell you what temperature and for how long you should be using your press. For this shirt, I pressed the shirt first so that my surface was nice and flat. I applied light pressure to the Easy Press. Once I was down the front, I flipped it over and pressed the back for 15 seconds, and I waited until this material was cool before I pulled it off. And there you have it, our shirt is done. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.